Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we'll be seeing how to make chocolatey, moist and super delicious chocolate brownie which is eggless and can be made without oven. So let's have a look at the recipe. Let us first begin by greasing and dusting the baking tin. So this is a 7 by 7 inch baking tray. I've added some butter and brushing it all over the tin properly. Make sure you cover every corner of the tin with butter. Now I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and move the tin around and coat the tin well with the maida. Dust off the excess and our tin is prepped and ready. Now we're going to melt some chocolate on a double boiler setup. So heat a pan with some water and place a bowl of chocolate on top of it. This is 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate. Do not use compound, use pure dark chocolate. I am using Maude's D45. The chocolate is half melted and now we'll add in the butter. So this is half a cup of butter. I am using salted butter. Now mix well, and once the chocolate and butter are well combined, take the bowl off the double boiler setup. Preheat the pan in which you will be baking the cake on medium flame. The chocolate and butter have now come down to room temperature, so let's add the other ingredients. Place a sieve and add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. We are going to sift the powdered sugar to avoid any sugar lumps. Break lumps if any. Now mix well using a spatula. Now sift in 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, The dry ingredients are well sifted. Now using a spatula, gently mix the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Now add half a cup of milk gradually and keep mixing gently. Do not overmix, just mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated. I've added all the milk and the batter is now almost ready. Just one last ingredient left, that is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So add the essence and mix well again. And our brownie batter is ready. Now transfer the brownie batter into the greased and dusted baking tin. You can also line the tin using a butter paper. Tap once or twice and bake the brownie in the preheated setup for 30 to 35 minutes on medium flame. If you are baking it in an oven or OTG, bake it at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The brownie is now baked and ready. The toothpick is coming out clean. It has been baking for 35 minutes approximately, but keep checking your brownie after 25 minutes. Let the brownie cool down completely. Here I have 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate and to it I am adding half a cup of hot fresh cream. We are making the ganache for the brownie. Let this sit like this for 2 minutes and then mix using a spatula. The chocolate will melt with the heat from the cream. So shiny and glossy ganache is ready. The brownie has cooled down. Run a knife along the sides to release the brownie from the cake tin if it has stuck anywhere. I am demolding the brownie on a butter paper. The brownie has come out to be perfect. Now let us add the prepared chocolate ganache on top of it. You can set this chocolate ganache, but I like the brownie like this, so I am adding it as it is. Spread the chocolate ganache evenly on top of the brownie. If you feel this is a lot, you can reduce all the ingredients of the ganache to half. But I think this ratio is perfect. Now I'm just making a random pattern on top. Cut the brownie into squares. Now the brownie can be served as it is, but I'll be doing a little bit of garnishing. So I'm adding a little bit of choco chips for enhanced chocolatey taste, and in the center I'm going to garnish with some sliced almonds. With this, our moist, super delicious and chocolatey eggless brownie is ready. This is a no oven recipe, but the brownie tastes absolutely awesome. Look at the perfect texture. I hope you liked this recipe. Do give it a try and subscribe to the Cooking Stories if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.